Hey guys, welcome to digit.in. Today we have with us PlayGo BH70 headset. This is an AI headset. Before opening the box, let's take a look at the box itself. On the sides, you see the included features such as the hybrid active noise cancellation, intelligent hearing optimization, the Bluetooth 5.0 with a 10-meter range, a microphone, transparency mode, automatic play and pause, smart touch and talk feature, and the app control. At the back, you see the specifications of the headphones. Now, let's open up the box. The cover slides off easily, and inside you see a black box with no branding on it. On opening that, you see a black bag. Inside the bag you have the headphones themselves and a micro USB charging cable. Other than that, you get a welcome guide and a warranty slip. These headphones seem to be of a pretty decent build quality. They are flexible. These headphones are retractable as well. And it is reinforced with metal. The headband cushion and the ear cup cushion both seem pretty soft and comfortable. The ear cups are rotatable as well. These headphones have 40 mm dynamic speakers giving a nice bass boost. At the bottom of the left hand side of the headphone, you see the power button or the Bluetooth pairing button, the ANC or the active noise cancelling button for effective noise cancellation. Aside from that, you see the inbuilt microphone and the USB Type-C charging port. The included cable with these headphones is not that long and is pretty thin and seems to be of cheap quality. On the right hand side of the headphone, you see the play pause button or the call in button, and next to it you see the track skipping buttons. These headphones have an auto pause and play feature. So the audio pauses automatically when these headphones are taken off, and it turns back on when you wear it again. If you are listening to music and need to have a quick conversation with others, you can simply cup the left side of the headphones, which lowers the volume temporarily. This function can be disabled via the app, which is available on both Google Play Store and the App Store. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing of PlayGo BH70 AI based headset. Thank you for watching and goodbye.